Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Numunawara binti Sanaluddin, metric number 1810070. I already created the home mockup page. As you can see, on the top left, there is our official logo. On the right side of it, there is navigation bar list that contain links to other sections of the website. For example, for those that want to book appointment session, can straight up click to appointment and will bring user to appointment registration page. Other than that, the homepage started with the overview of Youth Care website that contain our mission and vision and why we started all this. User also can see upcoming events that organized by our team. When users scroll down the homepage, they will see the full list of services such as counseling and diagnosis, and there are also buttons provided that can lead user to the specific page to learn more about the services. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Afkia bin Al-Khairin and I will present my part of Project 1. So I am tasked to create the service page mockup for our website. Here is the preview of the website I have made. Going to the what we have made. So here I have created the service page mockup, which consists of 4 services that we offer. Our services that we offer is the diagnosis, one-on-one sessions, group therapy, and mental tests. On each panel, we have description of what each services offer, and there is buttons to connect to the team page, appointment page, and the contact. So here is the details. There is the service is the overview of available services, the service features, and the buttons to connect to people that is team, appointment, and contact. That is all from me. Continue now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Abdul Rahman. Today I am going to explain my part, which is team, and what I have included here I will be explaining. So in this part, as you can see, all the doctor details will be here. Those who are giving service for the user. So there is 2 type of doctor. One is online specialist and the other one offline specialist. And online specialist, they will be available 24/7, and also they will handle emergency cases if anything happen to the user, and if they want immediate action, they can contact with online specialist. And on the other hand, we have offline specialist, those who are available also 24/7, and each part of our service we will have 2 specialists at least. And this is the demo. So just online specialist is like this doctor, and offline specialist is like this doctor. So in our main project, I will be include more doctor list in this part. So this is the demo, that's why I just include these 2. Okay, that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Zubair. I'm going to present my part, that is appointment page, and I have included 4 parts, and there is doctor details, online support, offline support, and appointment request form. So first of all, here is doctor details. I am not say anything about doctor details, just inform how many we have how many doctors we have and what are the services. Then we have online support. For online support, we will be close by for such assistant. We will be internet during available time to offer online help to tackle the issue you face. And you can contact through Skype, TeamViewer, Analytics, mobile phone, software, and so on. And then we have offline support. Are you worried about software support? No need to worry, don't worry, still relax. We'll provide you face-to-face service, and then you will get all facilities by offline support. And then user must fill up this form, that is appointment request form. Here's the username, user email, phone number, why appointment is for, gender is a 3 option, male, female, other, age, what type of counseling is suitable for them, is individual, couple, child, and other. Select support type, online and offline. Then have option preferred language. They can choose anyone, and we can how we can contact with them. That is option phone call, WhatsApp, email, Skype. And then what type of issue you would like to discuss on anxiety, depression, mental disorder, something like that. And you can also choose none of the above. And then preferred date, if you show it, so it shows like this. And preferred time also. And when everything is okay, they must click this button.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Shojibur Rahman. Now I am presenting my part. I have created a contact page, and this is our project contact page. As you can see, there are contact details and operating hours. In contact details, we are providing a phone number, Facebook link, and email address. They can contact with this phone number, Facebook, and email. And also, we are providing emergency number. By this emergency number, we will provide 24-hour services. And there is also one Google location. They can follow this map to come to our healthcare. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.